Each of the hundreds of inventors and innovators we've featured here has one thing in common with all the others. That thing is that they all did it. They did it. They had an idea and they worked and worked to try to bring it to the world. They didn't all succeed, but all can hold their heads up high because they took their ideas as far as they could. Another thing they have in common is that their successes and failures gave them vast knowledge that they're kind enough to pass along. Innovation is at the heart and soul of progress in our communities. And as our inventors tell us, it's not just about coming up with the right idea.
Good ideas are not actually that hard to come by. It's not that rare. A lot of people have ideas. But from ideas to reality to actually having it to happen is a process that you need some persistence.
My advice is always like, just go and just do it. You're never gonna have all the answers. You're never, ever, at no point will you have all the answers. There's always more to learn. There's always more to figure out.
If you see a problem, whether it's your personal problem of people around you, or you see a problem that affects a lot of people, then you start thinking about solutions. And if you have that strong desire, you will find a solution.
And it's the why that keeps them going.
It's very difficult to an inventor to make people believe in what he did. You must believe in what you are doing.
It's really important given the time that we're in right now and the dire state of the planet, that we all need to be working together to solve the biggest problems of our time.
And that one must stay the course.
The challenge for an innovator is always to find the balance between, is there still a future for this idea and do I need to stay tenacious to it? As an entrepreneur, it's finding the balance between those two pivot points. I think that's a key for success.
We don't believe in luck at this company. We believe in working hard and diligently for as long as possible until an opportunity presents itself.
Be absolutely relentless. Stay true to who you are and what you believe in. Stay true to your values. Never, never waver.
And always believe.